Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most common words in daily life. Yesterday,
Tegnap,
today,
ma,
tomorrow,
holnap,
now,
most,
home,
otthon,
work,
munka,
friend,
barát,
family,
család,
here,
itt,
there,
ott,
this,
ez,
that,
az,
day,
nap,
people,
emberek,
and,
és,
but,
de,
because,
mert,
to do,
csinálni,
to go,
menni,
to be,
lenni,
to have,
van,
to want,
akarni,
to see,
látni,
to come,
jönni,
to say.
mondani.
Quiz time.
Jönni. Jönni. Ott. Ott.
The answer is
Most. Most. Otthon. Otthon.
The correct answer is
Menni. Menni. Barát. Barát.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.